friends, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Well, I went back to the Dollar Tree, so I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I found some amazing new Dollar Tree finds. So let's hop right into this Dollar Tree haul. You gotta love Dollar Tree, you just have to. Okay, the first item, it was $5, but I had never seen this before. They are heartstring lights, okay? And you get 12 of these. And I love the color. They might have had a lighter pink. They did. They had a lighter pink, and then they had this deeper pink, and I thought it would be so pretty. Let me see if I can get some batteries and show you what these will look like. Okay, I put the batteries in, and I think these are adorable. Look at that. That is so pretty. It would make a great addition to a wreath or anywhere you want to use it. String it around. For $5, I still think it is a great find at the Dollar Tree. And I haven't seen those before, okay? Then I picked up this Freeman's Energized Jelly Mask. You could also use it as a cleanser. And it is free of parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, phthalates, and mineral oils, which is great for me. You know my allergies. I'm going to start trying it. It says it's best for normal, dry, sensitive, or dull skin. I have the sensitive, and it's turned dry, okay? Rise and Shine, this dual action jelly mask and cleanser infused with Yuza lemon essential oils helps to energize and restore the skin barrier for a perfect wake-up call. If you want to use it as a mask, you just apply a small amount to a dry face, gently pat until it melts into your skin, or wait 10 minutes. And it says for an instant uplift. To cleanse, just put water on your face, rub it in a small amount, and then rinse it off, but avoid contact with your eyes. So at Walmart, I don't know if I said this or not, this is $5.99 for one, or I think it's $19.99 for two. So this is a wonderful find. Then I picked up these nylon zip ties. They call them cable ties for $1.25. And you get 16 in here. This is the first time I've ever seen this long zip ties at my Dollar Tree. These are great if you craft with these or just around the house. Melvin is all the time using zip ties. So I think that is very handy to have. And they only had the black in the long at my Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments below if you have found them in other colors, okay? And these right here, I don't think I said, maybe I did. They also come in a lighter pink. Yeah, I did. I said that earlier. I'm losing my mind. Okay, then for Crafty Cards and Journals, my second channel, which is always linked in the description box below, I picked up these Jot 12 binder clips. It's always good, and these are the kind of the smaller ones. It's always good to pick this up. You can use it to help hold books together, papers together, anything. I like to have a wide variety of these, so $1.25, great deal. Then for Crafty Cards and Journals, or if you have children and you want to start teaching them subtraction, they have flashcards there that will help them learn their ABCs or recognize a word with a picture. But I got these flashcards right here, 0 to 12. They're just subtraction. You can alter these. You can do a lot with these. And that's what they look like. Just really plain. And I think it's a really great deal. I mean, their educational stuff is very good at Dollar Tree as well, or you can craft with this, okay? Then, once again, for Crafty Cards and Journals, I picked up the 3-pack of their mini composition notebooks for $1.25. You can remake these, keep them in your purse, and they're just really handy. You can also give them as gifts, like make some up ahead, like for Mother's Day or Valentine's Day is coming up, anything like that. And it's a great little find, and you haven't spent that much money, okay? Then I saw this and I loved it. It is a notebook for $1.25. I thought it was really pretty. You can remake it, or I'm going to keep this, I think, to keep important information written down for my second channel, or even the Magnolia Housewife. I may use it for that too. Then this magnetic list pad, $1.25. They had a lot to choose from. You can just put it on your refrigerator if you want, or you can remake it, and it just says make it count. You can see that. I just thought that is really cute. And you know, if you have like a running grocery list, you can put it there. We have our iPhones, but to tell you the truth, I find it so inconvenient to have to get the iPhone out and do that. I'd rather just put it on a piece of paper that I can carry in my pocket to the store and get what I need, okay? Then I saw this. Easter is already out at my Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do a shop with me on that too as well, but they don't have everything out yet. This was $5, okay? But it is faux turf, and it's a table runner. And how long is this? It's 65 inches long by 11.8 wide, okay? And you can see the picture. I'm going to use this, I think, on my dining room table for Easter. So you'll have to see what I do with it, but I thought this is great. And you get a lot of it, and for $5, it's a great deal. Then when I was in the Easter aisle, I picked these up. They call them tabletop signs for $1.25. But I think I'm going to use it maybe for journaling purposes. But look at that. They have two different types to pick from. This has like the little egg with the chick in it, and the Easter bunnies driving the car, a carrot, and then a little chick bunny. And then they had another one. I don't remember what it was. How many do you get? You get, I think you get 3 of each. So I thought this would be really good. Or if, you know, you want to craft with it. Great little project idea. Then the last thing I picked up was this gorgeous heart. It was $5 as well, but I couldn't help myself. I love how this is made. It's made very nicely. Has this little hang tag right here. They had it in the white, the red, and the pink, but I loved it. I prefer to decorate in pink when I decorate for Valentine's, and I thought it would be so pretty. So that is everything that I found today at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, let me know if there's anything that I should be keeping an eye out for, because you know all Dollar Trees are different. So maybe you've seen some of this stuff before, but to me, a lot of this stuff was new, but the flashcards weren't, and the little mini composition notebooks weren't new. But I'm enjoying this Dollar Tree shopping and these hauls. I hope you are too. Let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Maggie. Maggie, look at your friends. She said, I was asleep. I was under those blankets as warm as I could be. Could you look at your friends? Say hi, say hello. Say, I really do love you. I'm a good girl. I'm just kind of fussy today. So until next time, bye guys.